always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. I spy shapes everywhere. Circles, triangles, ovals, squares, stars, rectangles, so many kinds. See how many we can find.
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. You're just in time. I was about to check the mail. I'm expecting a letter from Ms. Panda. Let's check the mail together. Are you coming? Look, there's a letter in our mailbox. It's addressed to Mr. Goose, the Treehouse, Animal Island. That means it's for me. Could it be from Ms. Panda? It is from Ms. Panda. I'll open it. There is a letter and some pictures inside. I'll read the letter out loud.
Hello, everyone. I'm visiting my friend. Everywhere I go, I see shapes. I've sent you some photos.
Ooh, let's look.
What shape do you see in the first picture?
Do you see it?
Triangle.
Well done.
What shape do you see in the second picture?
Oh, I think I see it.
Triangle.
Fantastic.
What shape do you see in the last picture?
What shape do you see?
Triangle.
Yes.
Can you find shapes on Animal Island? Love, Ms. Panda.
That's a great idea. We'll make triangle our special shape of the day. Let's look for triangles on Animal Island.
Let's look for triangles. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you! Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Stars. Squares. Rectangles. Hey, I have an idea. Look! big. I have an idea. Let's play a game together.
Yeah!
Let's head to Friendship Forest.
Okay!
Let's look for triangles. Like this. I see one. That's right. Let's look for another one. Do you see one? Awesome! Let's look for one more. Super!
Let's look for more.
Yeah!
Let's head to Sunshine Farm.
Okay!
I see one. Yes! Let's look for another one. Yeah! Let's look for one more. I see one.
Awesome!
Yeah! I'm glad we got to play together today. Goodbye.
Bye!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called The Great Cleanup. In this story, Keisha and Mizamo decide to surprise their parents by cleaning up. Let's read it. Let's begin. The Great Cleanup, written by Corinne Lamoro-Rosmarin, illustrated by Jess Jardim-Wiedepol, designed by Ashlyn Atkinson. We are going to have so much fun while Grandfather is having a nap, says Big Sister Keisha. Oh, yes, says little brother Mizamo. What will we do? We will clean the house for Papa and Mama while they are out. That's no fun, says Mizamo. No, not me. I don't want to clean up. But Papa and Mama will be so proud. Let me show you how much fun we will have, says Keisha. First, we will put the toys away. Now we will sweep the porch. Now we will wash the dishes. Now we will wash the windows. Now we will polish the floor. Now we will wash the clothes. Now we will hang up the clothes. Surprise! I have been watching them the whole time, and they have been little angels, says Grandfather. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose!
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called Hush-a-Bye Baby. And look what I have in my backpack. An electric bass. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. Hush-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Now this time, we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go. Hush-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Bum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count lily pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lily pads. Now let's count Mr. Frog's hats together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3? Yeah, you got it! Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the musical instruments. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many in all? 4! You did it! Thanks, Monkey. Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the cattails. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon!
Let's play Monkey See, Monkey Do! Come on, everybody! It's time to move!
Oh, yeah!
Here we go! It's time to move your body. Come on, it's time to move your body. Eyes! Eyes! Blink your eyes! Come on, everybody, and blink your eyes! Ears! Ears! Tug your ears! That's the way we do it now! Tug your ears! It's time to move your body. Come on, it's time to move your body. Come on, it's time to move, time to move, time to move your body now. Head, head, nod your head. Move it up, then move it down. Nod your head. Shoulders, shoulders, raise your shoulders. Lift them up and hold them there. Raise your shoulders. It's time to move your body. Come on, it's time to move your body. Come on, it's time to move, time to move, time to move your body now. Yay! All right, now shout them out with me. Are you ready? Yeah! Here we go. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears, head, head, shoulders, shoulders, eyes, ears, head, shoulders, shoulders. It's time to move your body. Come on, it's time to move your body. Come on, it's time to move, time to move, time to move your body now.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye,
It's time to say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye. Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.